So I finished up at the gym, managed to take my shower, put my clothes on, and in a little bit, sorry, you probably can't see me. I managed to shower, put on my clothes, and hopefully in a little bit, guys, we can go downtown, shoot a little content, maybe get some people interact, and hopefully this video goes well because your girl is kind of your girl's trying to figure out what she can do with this content, and I'm trying to push it as far as I can. So that means I have to get out of my comfort zone. I can do it, and it's gonna get done. So I guess I will see you guys when I get downtown. Check out that outfit. Hold on, no furniture. I have a projector. I have a projector, got a couch right here, and then my other area, that's over there. Maybe I'll do a house tour when I finish getting all my pieces in here like how I want to. Only thing I'm really waiting on is a dining table. And really and truly, that'll really be it for in here. I mean, I don't really like too much clutter, and I'm really minimalistic when it comes to like decorating and like time. But yeah, in other words, I will talk to you guys later. See you guys for the video, and stay gorgeous. Hi guys, I'm back. I'm just coming on here to give you guys an update. I'm headed to the location, headed downtown, and I'm really excited about this because this is gonna be my first like kind of photo shoot that I do like kind of by myself. Usually I'll have someone take my pictures, or my brother, if he's not at school, he's in high school, if he's not in school, I'll have him take my pictures. So yeah, hopefully I can do this good by myself and get the quality and the content that I need. So yeah, it's exciting. I'm probably gonna go downtown, take a few pictures in the alley by Jalapenos, and just, you know, do my little thing. Hopefully nobody give me too many interruptions. Yeah, this is really, I should put my seatbelt on. Boom. Okay, yeah, so, oh my god, it's hot in here. So yeah, I'm nervous, but y'all, I keep having this thought in my mind saying, you know, y'all know that saying what the girls been saying nowadays, the fear of looking stupid is holding you back. So I'm really getting out of my comfort zone here, but this is required if I want to be who I want to be, and I'm gonna do what I have to do. So it's a journey, it's exciting, but this is the first step. So maybe after this I'll get like the jitters out and I'll be good with, you know, being outside. Cause y'all, it's hard. Like it's really weird, and it's kind of hard recording because I don't mind people looking or staring, but you know, people, they so nosy, they be interrupting you. Cause it's already hard recording in the gym when I do my workouts and stuff, but it's kind of easier in the gym because everybody's focused on their own goals and not really too much focused on me. Not saying that they don't be, or anybody else for that matter who records in the gym, but I just got over that little hump a year ago. So now it's time to actually do the content with me walking, smiling, being fake on the not really fake, I'm feeling myself, but shit, I mean, how genuine can you get? I look really cute, by the way. I did my own makeup. I always do my own makeup, y'all. How does it look? Because I feel like I need to switch up my routine. I kind of have with like foundations because, you know, it's getting back warmer outside, and for some odd reason my body gets darker before my face does. So maybe that's due to all the skincare and, you know, getting all the dirt, and you know, I like to get real deep, so like I probably be scrubbing some of the color off of my face, to be honest. But yeah, so see y'all in a minute. I'm done talking. I gotta listen to music because I gotta get in my mode, and ooh, wish me luck, wish me luck, wish me luck. Okay guys, so I am in the alley. I'm basically just trying to find me a good location to set up my stuff so I can take my pics. I think I'm gonna use this bar, this little cabana area over here where the sun kind of hits like just enough. me editing my videos. I don't really do much. I just set my camera up, put it on record, and I just do my butt.